let's park the car here and then we will take a walk into the nature. Okay, let's go now before I change my mind. Hello, so now I'm going to go to the river. I see some birds there. Earlier I was driving down here towards the Örmdusen, but now the birds are gone. So now I can't make videos of them. But they were sitting there in the beach there, so it would be quite nice to make some videos of them there. Soon it's time for winter to come to Ørsta. It's not something that I look forward to, but it's nice also sometimes to see the changes in the nature. But winter is not something that I like so much. It's nice to be able to have summer. But Philippines, they have summer every day, even though it's raining. Raining is okay because, you know, if it's rain stop, then the sun will come out and you feel warm again. But in Norway, especially here in Ørsta, the weather is very shifting, especially winter and autumn, summer. You can never know what the weather really is. You can only know the weather watching the weather channel with Andra. Under the weather guy, he knows the weather here. It's very nice, the leaves here. I'll show you. There's a leaf here with colorful leaves. Here's another one. Have a reddish color. So that's how it is here. See this yellow one. So it's quite nice to walk here, but a little bit windy, but hope that you can still hear me. This is a nature walk. Very nice. Over here also. Might coming some rain. You see the clouds there, it's getting closer to Ørsta. Very nice here. Nice. This is Ørsta. So every year lots of people try to capture fish here. In the spring months it's nice to walk here because birds are very active. And it's very nice to hear them and to make videos of them. And also, if you remember, I have a video of there's a small, I find a house of the mouse, and the mouse was like very active in the ground there. Quite amazing to see. I was that close to the rats. to the mouse house. Here you can see nature in front of me here. Nice to walk here, as you can see. Try to avoid the trees here. See, it's getting lots of leaves here. See some nice. I think this is actually called a small orchids. I will go closer so you can see it. It's a very nice flower. It's quite unusual to see. So quite amazing to see this small flower here. Now I can see it's getting quite difficult to walk across here because lots of high river. So it's quite difficult to walk here. This is actually a bridge over a river that goes underneath here, but now it's the bridge is flooded by the river water. Okay, let's continue the nature, the real nature, and you can see quite beautiful down there. It's like a murky water and ground, so it's not possible to see what's inside here. There might be some fish here, or there might be some frogs here. I don't know, but this is also quite idyllic place to make videos of. Let's stand here for a while and see the river and see if anything is. So let's wait now. If you can see anything moving, it would be quite nice to see if anything was moving down there while we make videos. That goes up into the forest here, which is also quite nice to see. See this green trees, and there's a yellow up there, so it's a clear sign that the winter is coming. Let's walk this way as far as we can walk, then we can walk over this bridge that we can see in the video, and we can continue onwards into the wild nature over there. A little bit more, you can see the nice colorful leaves. It's good shoes they have, so the one that I got from outer school. The woman was quite nice to me. She gave me half price for shoes that not even was on sale. So that woman in outer school, very good, very kind to me. So very happy, thank you. So a woman in outer school is very nice to me. Thank you very much for these shoes are extremely good to use. It's waterproof. Waterproof shoes. So it's I won't get wet when I'm walking in the nature here. So that's very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for letting me buy those shoes for half price, even though it's not on sale. Okay, let's continue walking here inwards nature here. You can go to, I can hear some birds in the distance. Quite difficult to hear anything now because I have so much bonnet and cover over, but still it's quite nice to see here. If there's any birds. See the leaves behind me now. It's orange, some brown, some trees don't even have flowers on them. So it's quite shifting nature now. There's a road here, and then there's another road there. So can go this road first, and then we can go to the other road, going back to the car later. Look at this. Wow, look at this yellow color leaves. That's how it is when nature in Norway becomes autumn. Then this is typical. You can see everywhere. Here we actually have some flowers here. You can see this is called blåklokke, and it's one of the very nice flowers you can find when it's like a autumn color season here. We'll continue now. Continue into the forest. There's water here. A small bridge. Very slippery bridge. So be careful here. See, very slippery bridge. So actually can have some fungus down there. See some fungus down there. It's quite nice to see. So let's continue inwards here. We can find something else to make videos of. Here is a nice road into the forest there. I see another leaves now that is a very colorful leaves. You see is red color, which is quite amazing. You can see red color leaves. So it is quite a nice leaves. Yeah. You see there's no red leaves everywhere in the forest bottom here, only this one. So that was quite amazing to see. Okay, so let's walk here into the forest here. See the trees here, very high up. It's very nice to walk here. And there's the red leaves. There's the road that goes into the forest there. You can see the trees are there, so let's continue walking into the forest here. Can make the camera a little bit lower down if you want to see it from the bottom of the old tree. Yeah. Walking. It's quite nice to watch a video like this. Make it a little bit higher up. Let's see. Very looking. Here. Very slippery here. See a small road here, river, small branch here. You can see some forest, the fungus here on the wood here down there. You can move it closer if you want to see. Quite nice fungus there on the wood. You can see me and my friends walking in the forest here. There's another road. I'll go this way, because then I can end up in the another way that there's a very large water here. I just passed over this water stuff. Have to walk on the side there, so won't get any wet. I'll bring the camera and then we can walk inward there. I show you. Remember the mouse video that I just got for 2017, I think. That is you see the forest there. That is the one that I have the video from. The mouse house was in this area here, in the ground there. So that was quite amazing down there. Maybe we can see something. Here's the waterland, and this is also where you can see anything down there moving, like a frog or something. This is the area where the mouse house was, here in this area here, underneath all of this trees here. Quite a nice place to make videos of, as you can see. It's nice when the rain hits the water over there. So now let's continue. We can make videos going back to the car. And then later on go fishing in the ocean to make another video there. Very nice to walk here in beautiful nature here in Norway. Very, very colorful leaves on the ground here, you can see. There's so much colors. You see the trees here already begin to get naked, so there's no leaves left on that tree here. There's a forest. There's a fungus there in the forest. It's growing under this tree, or this of leaves down there. I also see some more fungus here growing. There's another one. Another fungus growing here, and then also we have another fungus growing there. And then we have a small fungus there, and then kongle, that is called Norwegian kongle. And we have the road that we're going to go over there. Looking for the fungus. Don't see anything in the forest bottom here. Maybe some counterrail or something like that. Would be quite nice to capture on video. Counterrail, but can't see anything now. Those are flowers, that's fungus. And look at this one. Isn't that nice? Ah, amazing. Look at that fungus. Press the camera a little bit, like that. And you can see it's quite a nice fungus. See the top? It's quite a nice top here on this fungus there. Shiny. You have small, nice cone, and then see how the forest fungus live in the forest there. You can pick up those that you can eat, and then you can find it in the forest fungus book. Usually I only pick up Cantaral. I don't take a chance to pick up another type of fungus, because Cantaral is the one that is. This is the most recognizable fungus that is in the forest bottom. Usually that is the one that people likes to pick up also. So this is also quite nice. See they have the crow in the tree there. It's going over me. Distance there, flying over the trees. Very nice nature here. Really, it's like you want to stand here for a while and then just close your eyes and listen to the sound of nature and the river down there. Really peaceful. Might be some slippery road here. Hopefully I'm not falling. There's the stairs to walk on, and then there's a small bridge down there. We can make it over the water here. Oh no, look, there's small terra clover. It's called tree clovers. See the rivers coming down here. The trees there, it's quite nice trees. Colorful leaves, huh? You see it's going up there. So we'll continue now walking, and then we'll make some more videos as we're walking. Nature here, walking down here, quite nice. You can see the trees there. There's a small road here. We can walk down here. Nice long video if you want to see the nature of Norway. It's a very long and nice video for you to watch. You can sit in your bed, or you can watch it with your friends, or you can enjoy watching the beautiful nature in Norway, walking in the forest. There. See down there is a small bridge. So let's go down there somehow. It's quite difficult to walk down there. Here's a small plank to walk on. We can walk towards the bridge there. Towards the bridge. Walk over the bridge here. You see the river here, brownish river. We walk over here. We can walk towards the big river and then go back to the car. Then I need to go home to upload this video, but I only have half an hour left of the video later on. Then that's too small to make another long video left. So today I'm making lots of videos for you to watch. Nature walking. You can have some videos of the nature here. Very relaxing to walk next to the river. Lake. Behind me there. Quite nice lake. It would be nice to see a frog here, but no frogs yet. Here we are, going back to the main road, and then after that we'll go back to the car. Crows are nice in the distance to hear. Oh yeah. Speaking of the crows, there's just one fly over us. That was quite amazing to see and hear. It's not every day you can see crows that close to you. Nice to see nature here. Time to go back to the car, and then we'll drink some more iced coffee. Then I need to go home. I will go home and then I will edit. I don't have to edit. My videos are okay to use on YouTube. I just put them together, put them a little bit lower quality, and then put it on the internet for everybody to see. And you can see walking in nature with HansNature. My name is HansNature. When watching HansNature channel, and today I have been, because I finished now soon. I have been walking in the forest. Well, a nice morning trip here. Oh look, so yellow leaves down there, very nice. And going now back to the car, and then I will edit videos going home now, and then I will make I'll make more videos later today when I'm going to go to the boat to go fishing. So now I'm back to the car. The rain is just starting when I was over there, so I'm back to the car now. I did not get so much wet. Nice long morning walk. We'll make some videos. Let's see if this is charging or not now. Yes. Okay. So I only use 29% battery. Even though I was walking for 1.5 hours. I didn't get any wet in my ears. I don't get any wind in my ears. So now everything is okay. Hopefully tomorrow my ear will not get weird again. That's quite annoying. Now I'm going to drink my iced coffee. Then I will go for going home to make a little bit edit. Then I will put up YouTube, and then tomorrow at 8 p.m. I will that's how it goes when you walking in the nature and you have lots of smells, and also iced coffee smells good. Delicious iced coffee. It was quite nice to watch this pink orchid looking plant flower. It was quite nice to watch. It is quite unusual, I think, to watch, especially now that it's end of September. Now it's raining a lot. I'm glad I'm back to the car so that I won't get any wet. I'll check if anyone has seen my videos in TikTok. I post up a video that my cat is attacking the other cat, and right before the cat is attacking, I off it. So I'm going to see how many have been watching it now. Then they can watch my entire video on YouTube instead. So there's a guy who was doing some live broadcast yesterday in TikTok. He have 900,000 followers, and he's saying that if you put up videos in TikTok, you make it like a small teaser, and then you ask them, you write on the video that people can watch the entire video if they want to on your YouTube channel. That's how you also can get followers, because they will most likely click subscribe because they will watch your other videos also. So that's what I'm trying to do now today. I'm trying to like make it as a small teasers. Annoying this clothes because they're biting my beard, even moving. Want to have it long like I used to have it. It's nice to protect against the cold weather. Hope tomorrow this air is not bad, because then it's really annoying. Like a small bubble inside the air, and it covered the entire brain, and it's like very, very difficult, because sometimes someone is dropping something, I can hear it very loud. Yeah. So now I think it's time to go home. Then I will put up 2 videos from this. One from the day around here, one from there, from the walking. You can have a small teaser from the mountain, from the walk in the forest, also on this one.